The standard is to have the cartridge filters open to the ambient dust. Other options are to have solid doors that shut and close off the filters. Two other options are the doors with metal mesh for sparks or louvered doors as shown in the video. Mounted above the filter inlet opening is a compressed air tank to hold the compressed air for filter cleaning. The air pulse valves are mounted to the top of the air tank. The standard cleaning method is to push a manual button located on the front of the valve. When each button is pushed, a blast of 90 psi compressed air blows through a blowpipe to blast the inside of the cartridge filter, knocking the dust off the outside of the filter. A filter pressure drop gauge or magnehelic gauge tells you how dirty the filters are. The more dust on the outside of the filter, the higher the pressure drop reading. When your airflow drops off below design, then you will need to push the button to clean the filter and your airflow will return to design airflow. A smaller liquid filter gauge mounted on top of the air tank will tell you what the compressed air reading is inside the air tank. The cartridge filters can be easily removed without a tool by loosening the threaded knobs under each cartridge filter header. The channel is hinged at the back of the unit. As you loosen the knobs, the channel drops, releasing the seal on the top of the cartridge filter. Once all the knobs are loosened, you can slide out all the cartridge filters. Below the cartridge filters are dust drawers. One drawer under each row of cartridge filters. The drawers will slide out and can be dumped, or if you have an industrial vacuum, you can vacuum out the drawers. In the very top of the cabinet, above the pulse valves, houses a direct drive high-pressure fan wheel, which produces a high suction and airflow, drawing in the dust to the opening of the unit to be filtered by the cartridges. During the opening of the unit, you can see the simulated contaminant from the spray drawn into the opening of the unit. The suction power is very strong. This is indicated by how far away the spray is from the opening. It is very important in an ambient dust collection application.